welcome to Tech Island. In today's video, we will be looking at 16 of the coolest gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress that men will love. Let's dive right in. Number 1. LCFun Waterproof Lighter. This waterproof lighter by LCFun is your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. With its waterproof design and windproof, flameless operation, it's a must-have for camping, survival, and hiking. The rechargeable battery eliminates the need for gas or butane, making it economical and eco-friendly. Plus, this lighter is crafted from high-quality ABS and zinc alloy, making it highly durable. It also features a convenient paracord lanyard for better portability during your outdoor escapades. Upgrade your outdoor survival kit by buying this waterproof lighter using the link in the description. Number 2. Overfund Web Launcher. This web launcher by Overfund makes you feel like a real-life superhero. It works like a real web launcher with a spring-loaded mechanism to launch the wire that sticks to a metal surface. It also features a built-in micro reel and a rechargeable battery for easy operation and endless fun. The magnetic projectile adds an exciting element, attaching to iron products with ease. This gadget is perfect for your next Spider-Man costume. It is also very fun to play around with in your free time. Grab your one web launcher today and bring the superhero experience to your everyday life. Next up, number 3. Bluetooth Beanie Hat. This Bluetooth beanie hat helps you stay warm, entertained, and connected with the world. Made from soft stretch fabric, this beanie offers maximum comfort for outdoor activities. It has built-in LED lights, and it boasts Bluetooth 5 functionality. Additionally, the USB fast charging feature ensures you're always powered up. This gadget is perfect for night runs. It is not just a winter accessory, but a tech-savvy solution, acting as a hand-free torch for DIY work. This beanie is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Number 4. Yank Fidget Cube. This infinity cube by Yank is great for stress relief. Crafted from premium anodized aluminum alloy, it's not just a fidget toy, it's a work of art. The foldable design consists of 8 small cubes. Its metal build also makes it very sturdy, perfect for fidgeting, anxiety, ADHD, or just moments of deep thought. This fidget cube is your pocket-sized companion for calmness. It is mesmerizing how it just keeps on opening up and folds on itself. A perfect gift for any man. Moving on to our next gadget. Number 5. Rocketbook Smart Notebook. This smart notebook by Rocketbook merges the best of analog and digital. It's not just a notebook, it's a bridge between the traditional and modern ways of note-taking. Scan your notes to the cloud, wipe the pages clean, and reuse them. It's that simple. It has 36 pages that are enough for long note-taking sessions. With seamless integration of pen and paper to digital text, it's a productivity game-changer. If you are a student, creative, or anyone who values the versatility of a notebook, the Rocketbook is a must-have. Up next, number 6. Thor Bottle Opener. This hammer-shaped bottle opener looks just like the actual thing, only just smaller. It is made from a combination of polymer and metal, so it is very durable. Despite its interesting shape, this gadget is great for opening a bottle. Plus, it comes in silver and gold color options. Additionally, you can hang it using the attached chain or put it in your keychain. Marvel and Thor fans will love having this cool little reminder for their favorite superhero, a simple yet memorable gift for any man. Check out the next gadget for another great gift item. Number 7. Mayan Multitool Pen Set. This gadget is not just a pen, it's a powerhouse of functionalities. From a super bright LED light to a stylus, rulers, screwdrivers, and more. This pen has every tool you could ever need for a DIY project. It even works as a screwdriver, a SIM card remover, and of course, a standard pen. This gadget is the perfect all-in-one tool for any DIY enthusiast. Its high-quality and durable build ensures it stands up to tough projects. Plus, it comes in 3 color variations to suit your preference. If you love DIY, get this amazing tool today. Number 8. Tether Phone Docking Station. This wood phone station by Tether adds a touch of elegance to your space. It's not just a charging station, it's a multifunctional organizer for your daily essentials. Crafted from a solid ash tree and covered with a non-toxic protective finish, it offers a blend of natural beauty and functionality. Its strong and sturdy design ensures it fits seamlessly into any interior, from classical to modern styles. You can easily assemble it using the included manual. With this gadget, you can keep everything from wallets to watches within arm's reach. Embrace the beauty of order and convenience with this useful gadget. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please drop a like to show your support. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. Let's get back to it. Number 9. Hashibo Shape-Shifting Box. The Shape-Shifting Box is one of the coolest and most creative gadgets we have ever seen. More than being just a puzzle box, this box is an artistic and mesmerizing sensory experience. It is equipped with 36 rare earth magnets. This allows it to transform into over 70 shapes. Its unique design will have you mesmerized in no time. Additionally, this gadget is crafted from premium materials. It also features vibrant artwork on each one of its layers. Explore creativity and stimulation and shape your world with this captivating puzzle box. Next up, a practical magnetic tool. Number 10. RAK Magnetic Pickup Tool. This magnetic pickup tool is the perfect gadget for retrieving dropped items with ease. If you lose something valuable in a spot you cannot reach, this gadget is a lifesaver. It boasts an extendable neck with 360-degree flexibility, so you can maneuver it around the most difficult bends. This telescopic tool includes 3 LED lights for visibility in dark spaces, so you never need a flashlight. This gadget will no doubt be a great help for any professional working with metal objects. Upgrade your toolkit with this adjustable, multi-purpose, and super useful magnetic pickup tool. Now let's move on to the next indispensable gadget. Number 11. Verify Gear Survival Kit. This survival kit by Verify Gear helps you prepare for the unexpected. Packed with a waterproof box, flashlight, knife, compass, and tons of more handy tools, this survival kit is a must-have. No matter if you go hiking, camping, or any outdoor activity, this kit ensures you're ready for any challenge. It's lightweight and portable, means it will fit into your backpack very easily, or you can attach it to a harness for your convenience. This kit is your ultimate survival companion. Next, check out Number 12. Magnetic Wristband. The Magnetic Wristband by Kranach is great for hands-free convenience. This wristband features 15 strong magnets. This allows you to attach any of your metal tools right to your wrist as you work, so they won't clutter around or get in your way. This gadget is a great way to keep your work area well organized. Plus, you will never have to lose a screw or bolt. There are also 2 unique pockets in place for non-magnetic items, adding further practicality to this tool. This adjustable wrist belt ensures a secure fit, making it an ideal gift for men. Let's now delve into the next flavor-packed gadget. Number 13. Smokehouse Ultimate Grilling Spice Set. If you are a grilling enthusiast, this Ultimate Grilling Spice Set is for you. This unique gift includes 20 barbecue rubs and spices to expertly season your food. This kit includes adventurous flavors like lime chipotle to classic choices like Memphis. It has a little something for everyone. This set is a must-have for BBQ enthusiasts since each bottle holds a world of flavors. Any grilling enthusiast would love to have it as a gift. Get one of these today, your spicy ticket to a culinary journey. Moving on, check out Number 14. Fit King Leg Air Massager. The Leg Air Massager by Fit King gives you the relaxation you need after a long day of work. Designed for feet and calves, this massager uses airbags to simulate the kneading and stroking of tissues. It is ideal for dealing with muscle aches and pains. Plus, it helps improve blood circulation. It is like having a masseuse at home. This gadget features 2 modes and 3 massage intensities, and you can easily control your massage experience with the handheld controller. Additionally, it can do 10 massage techniques catering to all your relaxation needs. Treat yourself to the ultimate relaxation with the Fit King Leg Air Massager, your daily escape to comfort. Next, let's discover the details of the next stargazing gadget. Number 15. Gkay Telescope. This telescope by Gkay will make for a great gift for any astronomy lover. With a 400mm focal length, 70mm aperture, and a fully coated optics glass lens, this telescope provides stunning images while protecting your eyes. It comes equipped with 2 replaceable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, offering versatile magnification options. It also features wireless control capability using your smartphone. Stargazing is now more accessible to everyone. This gadget is not just a telescope, it's a portal to the cosmos. Number 16. Nixie Tube Clock Tech. This Nixie Tube Clock by Tech is a fusion of vintage aesthetics and modern technology. You can use it to set alarms and timers, so it is not only gorgeous to look at, but it also functions as a traditional alarm clock. This unique clock promises accuracy and great aesthetics, a great decoration piece for any living space. Embrace a mix of vintage charm and futuristic tech with this Nixie Tube Clock. Not just a clock, but a statement piece for your living space. That's it for today. You can find all the links for these products in the video description down below. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for similar content. Thanks for watching.